Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for notification. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a hair brooch using pearl beads and artificial flowers. Required materials are pearl beads, binding wire, copper wire 0.3 mm and artificial flowers. First step is insert 5 pearl beads in the copper wire and leave about 5 cm wire and twist the first bead 5 to 6 times as shown. Repeat this for the 5 beads. Now our pearl branch is ready and cut the extra wire. Make about 5 to 6 pearl branches like this. Now take the binding wire and twist it at the one end as shown, and attach the artificial flowers and the pearl beads branches to this binding wire. Repeat these steps till the end of the binding wire.